Rake. Sweep up those leaves like Eeyore the leaf whisperer. Hoe. Digging into the earth like a backyard superhero. Shovel. Shoveling dirt like Eeyore building your own mountain. Trowel. Small tool big gardening reams. Pruning shears. Trim snip and keep those plants in shape. Lapper. Cutting through branches like a tree ninja. Garden fork. Turn the saw with style, no fork fights allowed. Watering can. Sprinkle pure and make your plant sure. Sprinkle. Dance little droplets dance across the lawn. Garden hose. Stretch it out and let the water flow your garden's thirst. Cultivator. Breaking ground and growing greatness. Edger. Make those garden lines sharp enough to draw a picture. Trimmer. Snip and keep those edges as sharp as your gardening skills. Garden knife. Slice, cut and chop your way to garden glory. Transplanter. Help your plants find their perfect home. Soil test kit. Let's dig into the dirt and see what secrets it's hiding. Garden cart. Roll in with the plants and looking good while doing it. Wheelbarrow. Push it like your transporting treasure. Bonsai trimmer. Tiny carts for the tiniest trees, big result. Garden clipper. Clip, snip and make every bush look perfect. Leaf rake. Catch those leaves before they can escape. Compost turner. Turning scraps into gold for your garden. Garden roller. Roll in over the lawn like it's a runway. Garden gloves. Keep your hands clean and your garden cleaner. Plant labels. So you never forget who's who in the garden party. Greenhouse thermometer. Keeping track of the perfect plant spot temperature. Garden shoes. Step into your garden kingdom with comfort and flair.